What's up, guys? Today we are making these delicious healthy breakfast burritos, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by just spraying a little bit of avocado oil on our pan on medium-high heat, and we're going to add in our bell peppers and our diced onions, and we're just going to cook that for about 5 minutes until it gets soft, and it should look like this. So they'll be like a little soggy. And then you're going to cook your bacon before and then cut it up. And then I just reheated my bacon on the stovetop with the eggs, again on medium-high heat, added in my dry seasonings, and then you're just going to keep folding it until you get light, fluffy eggs that look like this. Once that's done, you're going to take that off the heat, take out the eggs, like kind of clean it off a little bit, and then we're going to put in our sausage, and we're going to cook that on, again, medium-high heat until our sausage looks like this, and then we're just going to remove that from the pan and put it to the side. It should take about 8 minutes to cook your sausage all the way through. Just make sure there's no pink, and then we're going to wipe out that pan because we're going to use it later. Now we're going to form our burrito. We're going to do our avocado mash down. We're going to put our bacon and egg mixture, our sausage, and then we're going to add in our bell pepper and onion mixture, and then just sriracha mayo on top. You can make your own by doing equal parts sriracha and mayo, or you can buy it from the store. It's really easy at the store as well. And then we're just gonna roll that and fold it all up. And while we're doing this, just make sure your skillet is still like heating up on medium high heat, because we want it to be like really toasted for when we put our breakfast burritos on there. Again, spray a little oil, and then we're going to cook it for about a minute on both sides. If you don't heat up your pan first, then you're going to have to like double cook it, but that's it. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit, y'all.